Hi guys, just thought I'd throw up a quick video just chatting about true religion jeans and common areas of repair that are needed here at the Denim Doctor, which we come across on a daily basis with this brand. With them being quite heavy around the pockets, the thickness of the denim, and they do have a bit of weight in the back pockets, they do have quite a bit of stress on the back pockets, especially in the edges, because the way they're sewn down on the edges there, it puts a bit of stress on them, so they do go a bit weak there. That side's not too bad, it's coming just a little bit there, just coming through, and this one's booked in for this corner, and you see the pocket edges do come away slightly there. I mean, all jeans do it on the pockets, but especially true religion jeans are notorious for the pockets going through. They do have other wear areas such as the crotch, which all jeans do, and then sometimes on the knees as well. But specifically with the true religion jeans, the main area that I've found with my time working with them is the edge of the pockets. So we're going to be putting some new fabric on the inside, do some over sewing darning work to the top areas, and this will repair all this fine, and you won't get any more issues with it with the pocket edge in the future. So if you've got any true religion repairs need doing, drop me a line. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk, and I'll get in touch, and before and after pictures will be on the blog of the specific jeans if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, people. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.